How to download the Meitu app on your Android device. So first, go ahead and open Play Store. Then your screen should look something like this. Here you'll see three options on the bottom right corner. Simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in Meitu. Here you'll see an app which has more than 100 million plus downloads. Simply tap on the install button, and after a few moments the Meitu app will be installed on your device and you can generate AI photos and edit videos as well. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.